I get this question all the time. Devin, what's the fastest way to compare niches by how many videos could realistically be updated instead of remade? Here's the operator answer. Don't judge the niche by whether videos stay useful. Judge it by whether old winners can be refreshed with partial work. That's a different metric. Evergreen asks, does this stay relevant? Updateability asks, when something changes, can I fix 20 to 30% of the video instead of rebuilding 100%? Fastest framework. Take 20 likely videos for each niche and score each one on 3 checks. 1. Stable intent. Will people search for the same basic problem a year from now? 2. Modular updates. If info changes, can you swap a section, screen recording, stat, or example without rewriting the whole thing? 3. Packaging durability. Can the title and thumbnail still work after the update, or does the angle fully expire? If a video gets 2 or 3 yeses, count it as updatable. If a niche has 60 to 70% of ideas in that bucket, that's usually a strong maintenance efficient niche. If most ideas score 0 or 1, it's remake heavy. And here's the shortcut. Compare niches by update paths. Tutorials, tool roundups, templates, and process videos often update well. News-driven commentary, volatile policy topics, or hype-based trend content usually don't. If you're doing this at scale, Satura is useful as the workflow layer to tag each video by update path before you commit to the niche. That's the fastest way to compare them, not shelf life, but refreshability.